So HBT is a small specialty pharmaceutical company, and like all pharmaceutical companies, big or small, we have certain obligations by our regulatory agencies, the FDA in our case, for complying with good manufacturing practices. And part of that includes performing audits of our suppliers, our contractors, the labs that we use for the type of work that we do. The COVID-19 situation has prevented us from performing those audits and ensuring that the quality of those suppliers and labs meets the requirements that we have. The RAC system provides us an opportunity for performing those audits in a remote way, which will still allow us to meet our regulatory obligations. So one of the advantages of using this for performing an on-site audit is that it allows us to give a 360-degree immersive audit and view of our facilities, particularly our clean rooms, which then doesn't require us to have to train people how to get into the clean rooms, how to enter them, and interfere with the existing operations. We can just bring in a rack system and let somebody observe what they need to observe inside that room as we're performing the activities. So the amount of time it saves depends a lot on the area that they're entering, but it can be extensive, and it's going to be particularly helpful if we have somebody who we're performing a service for who can't be on site, and yet they want to witness and be part of the manufacturing activity. It gives them a complete view of what we're doing and allows them to see the activities and to really ask questions and understand what we're doing in manufacturing their product. Well, the COVID situation has created a number of new normals. One is remote work, video conferencing. I think that this RAC tool provides just another aspect of what the new world might look like with the limited ability to access facilities. And in this case for us, as things get back to a little bit more normal, it would still likely give us a benefit of not having to travel, all the costs associated with going to remote locations. And again, when we're doing work for clients, being able to provide them the ability to observe the activities without having to come on site, thereby saving them the time and the expense of travel.